All right, guys, I'm just as surprised as you. This is Sean from Srkcycles. We have a, I don't know what year it is. It's 2015 or something. I don't know. It's a KYMCO. What am I doing with a KYMCO? All right. The KYMCO is made in, hold up, there's a sticker somewhere telling me, Taiwan. Here's my assumption. My assumption is this thing's a piece of junk. Let's see what it's like. It's a 700cc bike. It's got Bosch anti-lock braking system. In short, they call it ABS. It's a scooter, but it's a 700cc scooter.
You need a motorcycle license.
Yes.
I'm going to Aruba next week, but you need a motorcycle license to ride a moped.
You should get one.
I'm going to Aruba for me.
How long are you going for?
A week, and my white tires.
You sound very excited about it. Just leave me the keys to your boat. I'll take it out for you.
Yeah, I'd rather be boating.
Yeah.
A lot easier.
Right.
Wow, that's actually like a motorcycle.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's bigger than some of these bikes.
Yeah, it looks big.
It's a big engine. Yeah. So I honestly, I think this, I don't think I'm gonna like it. I think it's gonna feel cheap. Let's those are my ideas. Although it's actually like a $7,000 bike. I think it might be the most expensive thing KYMCO makes. I don't know. I know nothing about KYMCO. It's got a top bag. It's been down. Little scratches on it. Let's take it for a spin. Let's see what it feels like. Let's see if it cruises on the highway. I mean, I've driven a Bergman, and the Bergman was really impressive. Like, really impressive. Like, why is this bike so fast? I actually driven a Bergman, and I raced it against a an 883R. Alright guys, let's do words of wisdom. Proverbs 20:23. Differing weights are an abomination to the Lord, and false scales is not good. What he's talking about is like if you're trying to, you know, deceiving people. If someone's like, hey, you know, come in here, I'm going to sell you some gold, and you have a false scale, and you're tricking them for your own gain. That's not good, and that is true. All right, guys, this bike has 10,000 miles on it. Right off the bat, I'm actually, if you told me this was a Honda, I don't know, I wouldn't know the difference. You know what I mean? I don't know what kind of engine in it. I assume it's some type of 2-cylinder, but I have no idea. Maybe it's a single. I keep on wanting to grab that. It is a fully automatic bike. And let's get on it. Okay, so there's no punch. There was no punch at all. I was really expecting some type of whoa, you know what I mean, like the Bergman, but there was nothing. Don't know what that is. I don't want to break it though. This is a pretty cool feature. There's a button that has a little shock on it, and you can press it. Soft, hard. Let's press it again. Medium. Soft. Maybe it changes. I don't know. Maybe there's a setting on it that can do like, what is that button for? Don't know what that button does. Let's look in there. Nothing. I don't know what that is. Shut. There we go. It said shut. Rear visibility is great. Brakes are good. What I'm expecting, it's got a gauge that goes up to 130. What I'm expecting is that they just really stretched out this power range so you can be cruising on the highway very comfortably. What's that? Some more. I want to take this thing from what they call a dig. Take it from a dig. See how it does. And see how it cruises. It's actually not that uncomfortable. I feel like I could use like a little more. If I had a little more leg room. I'm 6'2", but for a lot of people, this is pretty normal. This is kind of a normal scooter stance. All right, come up here. We're gonna stop. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. This is actually like surprisingly stable feeling. I've driven Vespas at these speeds, like 150, which is it's you're really pushing it to get to these speeds, and they do not feel this stable. Passing, no problem. All right, so that's kind of what I was expecting. The way they did the power band and the transmission, it was just made to. I mean, why else are you gonna buy a 700cc scooter? It was made to be really comfortable and just perfect for the highway, and they did it. It does. It feels great. Very comfortable. It feels very balanced. It feels very stable at these highway speeds. I got the ability to roll the throttle and pass somebody if I need to. I'm sure it gets insane miles per gallon. The thing, all right, so this is my first time ever driving a KYMCO. The thing about it is, if KYMCO keeps on selling product, I have not actually heard anything bad about KYMCO. It's just, I think the name sounds stupid, and they're Taiwanese. And I don't know anyone from Taiwan. Like, I'm not saying anything bad about people from Taiwan. I know nothing about it. It's just, we're all kind of conditioned that, like, Japanese is the best. But hey, you know what? 50 years ago, it's like, Japanese, they weren't. You know what I mean? Everyone's got to start somewhere. And from what it looks like, KYMCO has the money. They've got the money that they can, you know, build a quality product and sell it for a reasonable price. And they're staking their claim. So it's dumb for me to be like, oh yeah, I'll buy anything else. I'll buy a Ducati, or I'll buy a Honda, or a Suzuki, or a Kawasaki, or a Vespa, or, you know, all these other things, and be like, you know, not give KYMCO a chance. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I'm impressed. All right. Initially, I was gonna trash this bike and just be like, yo, this bike is dumb and everything is dumb. But riding it, you know, it's got 10,000 miles on it, so it's not it ain't no spring chicken. It ain't no spring chicken, you know what I mean? It actually rides good. If you're looking for What's up, guys? I'm Sean. Thanks for watching that great video. And as always, click down here to subscribe. And here's the next fun video for you guys to watch. We'll see you guys next time.
And that wasn't far enough away.
And I had no clue. I'm just gonna tell you guys to back off. Train your bikes, and listen, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going. We'll see you guys later.